Hi guys, it's Christina Marie here with the February BOXYCHARM. If you are new to my channel, I do beauty box reviews, tutorials, unboxings, and the occasional giveaways. Speaking of giveaways, when this channel reaches 100 subscribers, we will be giving away free beauty products. So your odds are awesome for that. If you are new to BOXYCHARM, it is a $21 a month beauty subscription box. You get 4 to 5 full sizes for that $21. I have a link down below if you're interested in signing up. It doesn't cost you anything extra to use it. It just kind of helps me out a lot. If you do use it, I appreciate it and thank you. Let's dive into this box. So I'm anxious to see what's inside this box. I've seen a couple other boxes and there were some products that I did like and some products that I didn't like. So let's take a look here. So when you open it, it comes like this. It says hello charmers here. BOXYCHARM up here. Here is your card with a bunch of products on the inside. This says Afterglow. And then here it talks about each of the products, and it does give a retail price, which I do like. So the first thing that I'm pulling out here, I'm super excited to try. I've heard so many of you guys rave about this product. This is the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. It is indulgent in mascara that actually lives up to its name. Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara separates, coats, and curls each last to voluptuous perfection. Archaea Singea Tree Extract sets volume with firm forming polyamers to lock your lashes in a perfect curl. So here it's a big wand. It has kind of a unique shape to it. So kind of, I don't know if you can tell here, where it kind of goes down and then back up, almost like a little slight V in it. So I'm really anxious to try this out and give it a shot. Let me know, have you guys used this before? Do you like it? Do you love it? Are you gonna pass on it? I have heard that it is kind of a wet mascara. So here's your tip for today. Make sure to, when you're spraying on your final setting spray and everything, put that on first, then put this on. Otherwise it's gonna run on you. This does retail for $24. The next item is by Trestique. It is their Glaze Lip Crayon. I have tried some of their products in the past. I do like, so I don't know if you can tell or see here. So it has, the ends here are always magnetic. So I like that. So enough playing around. Ooh, look at this. It's a different shape for a crayon. I don't know if it's almost like a little rectangle instead of your typical lipstick. And then on this side is your lip primer. I always love using a lip primer first because then it obviously primes the lips and then it helps stop feathering and makes them last longer. So what this one says about this, it is a 2-in-1 lip duo. It features a luxurious lip smoothing primer on one side and a shiny colored glaze on the other. The priming side smooths lips and glides on like a balm, creating a super smooth canvas. The colored glaze effortlessly glides onto your lips and leaves behind a pop of soft, shiny color. This retails for $25. So let me take off the lipstick that I currently have. Just using a makeup wipe remover here. Now let's go in and put that lip balm, the primer on first. So I've gone ahead and I put the primer on. And now let's put the lip crayon on. So here's what it looks like on. Let's do a little swatch here on the skin. It's kind of a, I think it's more like a rose type color. It's really pretty, I like it. Next we have the No Pore Blend Primer. Say that 3 times. This is from Touch and Soul. Create a seamless canvas for your foundation with the new Touch and Soul No Pore Blimp Primer. The light, silky texture blurs pores and wrinkles, giving you a soft velvet feel. Green tea and collagen act like adhesives, holding on light to your makeup for many hours of flawlessness. I have heard really good things about this. This does retail for $18. So let's just put a little squirt here on the back of the hand. I'm just gonna rub this in here. And it's not sticky at all, which I really like. And here's what it kind of looks like on the back of the hand. You can definitely see a difference between here and like in here. So I'm really looking forward to using this. Next we have from Pharmacy, and I have a couple of products from Pharmacy that I really like. I really love their under eye cream. So this one is the Clean Bee Ultra Gentle Face Cleanser. I'm really happy that it's a gentle one, especially with those of us with sensitive skin. It smooths, hydrates your skin with while lifting dirt, excess oil, impurities, grime, and makeup. Your new Pharmacy Clean Bee Ultra Gentle Face Cleanser was made for daily use, keeping those with sensitive skin in mind. It is formulated with naturally derived ingredients like coconut, sugar, amino acids, and powerful botanical blend of turmeric, chamomile, calendula, aloe, and licorice root. This does retail for $22. And I just want to give this a smell here. Just opening it up. It does have a safety seal. I'm going to go ahead and remove that. It has a really calming scent to it. It's just a really natural scent, which I really like, that there isn't a ton of extra fragrance or anything like that in it. So I think I'm gonna really like this. The last item in this box, look how gorgeous this packaging is. Almost reminds me of like a picture frame. It is from Pretty Vulgar. It is their Shimmering Swan highlighter, and I know a bunch of you guys who have already got your boxes got the bronzers, and a lot of the bronzers came cracked and broken. This one is fully intact. Here's what it kind of looks like. And what this one says is allow your skin to capture the light of any room you walk in with this unique velvety smooth highlighter infused with glow-loving, light-reflecting, and pearlescent pigments. This highlighter will give your skin the perfect amount of brightness. Retails for $32. So I'm just gonna put a swatch of this on the back of the hand. Here's what it kind of looks like on the finger. And I love how peachy it kind of is. Here's what it kind of looks like on the hand. And I have a little bit of a highlighter on now, so I'm just gonna put just a tad here. Ooh, it's almost like a gold peach is how I would kind of describe it. And there's what it kind of looks like. I think it gives a really pretty glow. I'm really happy about this one. So let me add up the total of this box really quick. So the total of everything all together here, if you were to add it all up, is $117. Not bad for a $21 box. Let's kind of recap here a little bit. We had the Faced Mascara. I'm super excited to try this out. I really like this lip color from Tristique. We had the Pharmacy Clean Bee Makeup Remover and Cleansing. And then you had the No Pore Blimp Primer. Really excited to use that. And the Vulgar highlighter. I am excited with this whole box. I think they, BOXYCHARM has stepped it up once again. And hopefully next month I get the one where it's the full-size products. Let me know how long you guys had to stay on the waiting list for that. What products were your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. It really means a lot to me. And then hit that notification bell so you know when our next video will be posted. As always, you guys have a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.